Josh, mate, I'll tell you now, you had her from the beginning. Hook, line and sinker. I remember our first chat just after you guys met on Tinder, a friend of a friend's house. You were all that she would talk about. I met a boy, she told me, and he's really handsome, she told me. And he's got dimples, she told me. He's a little bit exotic, she told me. I was like, oh, he's exotic, is he Italian? She's like, no, he's from Perth.
I was upset when my best friend said he was moving to Canberra to start a new chapter of his life. I now realise, and I hope you do too, that it was the best decision of your life. Because without it, you would have never met Jemma, the love of your life.
The first time I met her, we had a bit of trouble trying to find each other at the restaurant. She was at a different entrance than I was. Eventually, I found her at the front and came up behind her, and I said her name, Jemma. She turned around and she had this beautiful smile and beautiful eyes that I just locked onto, and ever since then I couldn't stop looking at her. She's very kind. She always puts other people ahead of herself, and I love the profession that she does, looking after children where they've got hearing impairments, and she's just the most beautiful soul in the whole world.